Well, it's time to check back in with Robert at the Weather Center. Really nice day out there today, but this is really just the calm before the storm.
Oh, you're not kidding, Brandon. I mean, we got big time changes for this weekend, folks. We are going to cover the gamut of possible weather this weekend. So if you're a fan of the weather, better buckle up here. Right now, as we take a look outside, you can see it's nice everywhere. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Look at that Sunset Mountain camera in the bottom right corner of your screen. That is an incredible shot of, I would say, kind of a fuchsia colored sky out there on this Thursday evening. Just absolutely gorgeous. Temperatures across northwest Arkansas, we are mostly in the 50s out there, upper 50s and a few 60s. River Valley, a little bit warmer. You're in the 60s with a few upper 50s hanging on, but in 48 hours, these temperatures, you're going to be wishing for these temperatures when you see what we'll be dealing with. We're going to start with the hour by hour. We're starting tomorrow afternoon because tonight and early tomorrow is going to be nice and calm, really nothing to worry about. A couple of showers developing tomorrow afternoon. Watch this cold front at the top of your screen here. As it moves closer, activity will blossom. By tomorrow night, we could see a few thunderstorms in the River Valley, and that coverage really starts to blow up by early Saturday morning. That's when we're starting to be concerned about the severe weather threat in the River Valley. Some very heavy rain for northwest Arkansas as this front moves closer. And notice you can see back across portions of Kansas, snow and ice up there. This activity will continue to press in Saturday morning with more very heavy rain and embedded thunderstorms for northwest Arkansas as well as the River Valley. But by late morning, the activity is just about ready to exit the area as this front slides through. What's important is temperatures will plunge, and I mean plunge behind the front. And the big question mark is how quickly will this cold air catch up to the back edge of this precipitation that could potentially turn it over to maybe some snow or a wintry mix. Severe weather for Friday evening and into Saturday, slight risk across the River Valley, marginal in northwest Arkansas. So scattered to isolated severe thunderstorms will be possible. 1 to perhaps 3 inches of rain is forecasted as of now. It could change, but that's what we're looking at now, which is why the River Valley is under a slight risk for excessive rainfall. Northwest Arkansas not as bad, but that's why we're concerned about the flash flooding risk for the River Valley. I talked about the cold air. There is a slight chance for some freezing drizzle across northwest Arkansas Saturday evening that could result in a very slight glaze of ice out there. We're going to follow that, and then it'll get ridiculously cold. These are wind chills by Saturday night, single digits, maybe below 0 for northwest Arkansas, teens for the River Valley, and we will remain below 0 possibly for our wind chills as we get into Sunday morning. So if you're headed to church, keep that in mind. But it'll be mild tonight, mostly in the 40s to around 50. And then tomorrow, one more warm day before the bottom really drops out, as you saw there, as we get throughout the day on Saturday. So we'll start out mild Saturday, fall throughout the day, and waking up Sunday morning into the teens with wind chills as low as 5 below 0. So impact day, severe day Saturday, and then an impact day Sunday. But we warm up very quickly behind as we get into early next week. So it's a very brief cool down, but last thing I want to mention here, folks, especially Saturday and Sunday, if you still have plants outside, you got to bring them in. You got to bring your pets in because this cold weather means business. Stay with us. We'll have much more 4029 News at 5 right after the break.